In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go on Pinterest. We will move slowly, so even if this is your first time, you can follow along without feeling rushed. First, open your internet browser and search for Pinterest. On a computer, this might be Chrome, Edge, or Safari. On a phone or tablet, it might be a mobile browser with a search bar at the top. Click or tap into that search bar so you can type. Then type the word Pinterest, spelled Pinterest, with no extra spaces. When you are ready, press the Enter key or tap the Go button. Your browser will load a search results page, usually with several links in a list. You should see the Pinterest result appear near the top of the page, often with a short description mentioning ideas or inspiration. Now you need to click the correct link. Look for the main Pinterest link that usually says Pinterest and may show a short line like Discover Recipes, Home Ideas, and Style Inspiration. It often has a small red circle logo with a white letter P inside. Avoid links that mention ads or say ad before the title, since those can lead to other pages that just mention Pinterest. Move your mouse over the main Pinterest title and click it once or tap it on your phone. Your browser will open the Pinterest homepage in a new page or tab. The screen should now show a large background with sample images or pins and some buttons near the middle or top. Next up, click Login via your email, Google account, or Facebook account. On the Pinterest page, look toward the top right or the center of the screen for a button that says Login. Click or tap that button once. A login window or page will appear, with three main choices. One box lets you type an email and a password. Another option says Continue with Google. A third option says Continue with Facebook. If you already have a Pinterest account with an email and password, click into the email box, type your email, then the password box, and enter your password, then click the Login button you see below. If you prefer to use your Google account, click Continue with Google and choose your Google email on the small window that appears, then confirm. If you want to use your Facebook account, click Continue with Facebook and follow the prompt to log in there, then allow Pinterest access. Once the login works, the screen will change to show your Pinterest home feed, with many pictures or ideas arranged in a grid. That confirms you are now on Pinterest and signed in. You just went from a blank browser to being fully logged in and ready to explore Pinterest. If that helped you get onto Pinterest today, please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.